guys, this is Tristan from TJVMX. I'm going to be doing a bike check. Starting off from the front, we got premium counterfeit grips, black with no flanges. We got fit white bars. They're 8.25 rise with 28 width. We got a premium sub 10 top load stem. And then we got some stock premium forks. We got a stock gold hub laced to an Alienation Deviant rim with a premium 2.25 refuse resist tire. Got a 2012 premium duo frame, which is really nice because it's light and
it's premium.
Yeah. So we got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, really good pedals. They last a really long time. Got premium 4130 cranks. Got a gold stock sprocket with a black cam C chain. Alright, so on the back we got a premium Stinger cassette hub laced to an Alienation PBR rim with a 2.20 refuse resist tire, premium again. And I got a premium seat. And last but not least, we got some black label plastic pegs.
Yes, sir. Thanks for watching, boys.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.